Kevin, living Philippines here. Time to get the car fixed. It's about the 16th of September. It got hit around the 20th of July. So we're going to Bluebird Motors in Angeles City to take the car in for repairs. Let's take a look at the car. 1 second look before we take it in. 2,200 bucks for the parts for the insurance company. It took about a month or so to get the parts, and then the check had to clear from the insurance company to the Toyota. So let's see how good of a job they're going to do at fixing this up. They got the rocker panel here. Going to replace the plastic. Going to replace this piece of plastic. Pretty much just going to replace this door. The mirror got hit, that's wobbly. And there's some scuff marks here they can't really see. They're going to repaint this door. So yeah, supposedly it's supposed to be done in a week. So we'll see. So we'll stay tuned to see what happens, and we'll check out how good of a job they do to repair this car. Okay, here we are to turn it in. Down here on MacArthur Highway by the Abacan Bridge in Angeles City. Fixed up like new by the end of the week. It's close to 9 a.m. You got all the nice busy traffic. Dog. Across the street from the Robinsons Mall. There's the Abacan Bridge right there. And we brought it up inside of the service area. So my sister-in-law picked us up in my brother-in-law's Kia Karen. And it's about 10 a.m., so we're hungry. We're gonna eat at McDonald's. Down here in Dau, Mamalakit. On MacArthur. On the corner. I don't know what this side street is. I don't see a sign. There's a bunch of scooters parked, probably the employees. Yep, there's side street. I don't know the name. Walking on down. It's quite the drop though. I wouldn't want to step off there. It's like a good 1.5 feet. It's like the height of the middle of that tire. Filming with the phone, the Google Pixel 5a. I've tried before and it like sometimes conks out, like locks up and freezes because it's hot and the sun's shining on it, but it's cloudy, tail end of rainy season. So it should be fine. Here's their drive-thru. So here's our little trip around McDonald's. Dau. Walk through. They got the Wilcon Depot right there. So we'll wait till Friday and check out their fine workmanship they did on our car. So let's see. So that's our little drop off and look around MacArthur down by Bluebird Motors. Now to walk around the McDonald's and Dau through the drive-thru and a quick look at our little breakfast meals we got. And as you can see here, my parking spot's empty. Parking spot's empty. Hopefully have it by Friday or Saturday. All goes well. Kevin, Red Living Philippines. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Subscribe, leave a comment. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.